Welcome on MGSS YouTube channel. I am Navkan Misra with you to discuss some difficult problems of chapter 11. Hope you have to enjoy this session. My dear student, the first question that I have just taken, in this question 1, 2, 3, 4 figures has been given, and these 4 figures are of different types. You can just see that this figure is not closed. This is not closed, so it cannot be considered as not simple closed figure. This is the first one. This figure, you can just see that it cannot be called simple closed figure. Actually, not, it is also not simple closed figure. So this is not closed figure, so there is no chance to be simple. So similarly, you can also be written as not closed figure, and this figure is closed whatever. This is not simple closed figure. In this figure, you can just say that it is simple closed figure. And last one, this is closed figure whatever it is not simple closed. This is closed but not simple closed. So last option is that not simple closed. And if it has given in the option that it is closed, then you have to say that this is closed, this is closed, this is closed. But this is closed, not simple closed. This is closed, not simple closed. This is an open figure, and this is closed, and also it can be said to be simple closed figure. My dear students, one question has been given in your exercise that this is 90 degree, 50 degree, 110 degree, and you need to find the value of x. And we know that sum of all exterior angle, sum of all exterior angles of a polygon 360 degree. Therefore, you can just add that 90 degree plus 50 degree plus 110 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. And now you are able to solve them. You may add all these. 250 degree is equal to 360 degree, x is equal to 360 degree minus 250 degree, and it can be written as 110 degree. 110 degree. So its final answer is 110 degree. My dear students, in this question, you need to find out the value of this x degree and x degree. It has it given in 2 different figures, and you can just name it as A, B, C, D. So let's start in the first figure, A, B, C, D in quadrilateral A, B, C, D. You can just see that this one has been given 90 degree due to linear pair. You know that sum of these 2 angles is equal to 180 degree, and this is why 90 degree plus angle A is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is equal to 180 minus 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. And now from this one, it has been just proved that this is also 90 degree. And now we know sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree, and this is why angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree, and this is 90 degree plus 60 degree plus 70 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree, and you need to add them, and this is 220 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree, or x is equal to 360 minus 220 is equal to 140 degree, my dear. So the value of x is 140 degree. Again, you can just check in the case of P, Q, R and S. You can just see that. Again, in quadrilateral P, Q, R, S, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R plus angle S is equal to 360 degree, because this is also given quadrilateral, and angle P is equal to 120, Q is X, R has been given 50 degree plus S is given 130 degree is equal to 360 degree. So X plus, if you have to add all these three angles, what you get? Actually you get 300 degree, and it is equal to 360 degree. So therefore x is equal to 360 degree minus 300, and you get 60 degree. So what you have just observed? You have just observed in the first, the value of x that has been given is actually 140 degree, and in second case it has been given 60 degree, and it can easily be easily be find out by adding all three angles that has been given, and the x is equal to 360 degree minus sum of given three angles, because sum of all angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. My dear student, one more question I have just taken, and you have given in the question that find out each exterior angles. Each exterior angles you have to just find out. If n is equal to 3, in case of triangle, you have to find each exterior angles. What will be each exterior angles? If it has given regular triangle, then you can just apply a different technique, because in case of regular we know each interior angle of a regular triangle you may write, or you may write, because regular convex polygon containing three sides is actually equilateral triangle, and it is equal to 60 degree, and therefore each exterior angle is equal to, because some of these interior and exterior by linear pair, you know that 180 degree. So it can easily be find out 180 minus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. But this is the first way that you have to solve. The second way that you have to just solve because formula has been given that each exterior angle of a regular triangle is equal to 360 degree by n. Means here n is, since it is triangle, so n is equal to 3. So 360 by 3, and if you divide, then actually result is 120 degree. So my dear, each exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degree by n, since it is regular convex triangle, and this is why 360 degree by 3 is equal to 120 degree. Similarly, if second question has been given that n is equal to 9, then you have to find out each exterior angle of regular nonagon, because polygon having 9 sides, you know very well that